In this video, we will be showing you how to clean and maintain your condensers for the OMS and MSD range. Remove the bottom metal grill by tilting it forward. This is attached magnetically, which provides easy access to the dust filter and the condenser behind the filter. Lift it up out of its guides and put it safely aside. You can now remove the dust filter by pulling it out and exposing the condenser. Use a soft brush to gently clean the dust filter and the condenser. Inspect the condenser after the dusting. If you can see that the condenser is obstructed by heavily ingrained dust, use an air blower to clean the condenser thoroughly. Finally, reinsert the dust filter and then the grill cover to complete the scheduled maintenance task. Please mark this in your calendar and repeat the processes once per month. Commercial refrigerators are significant investments for any food service establishment. Proper maintenance will extend their lifespan, and regular upkeep minimizes the risk of breakdowns, saves energy, and preserves the quality of stored food, ultimately protecting your bottom line. For the OMS models only, at the closing time of each shift or day, lower all the night curtains to assist the fridge to retain coolness. Thank you for watching. Please also watch our other videos for useful information and instruction.